is infant industry protection? Imagine a brand new company fresh out of the starting gate. It's full of potential, but it's also fragile, like a newborn baby. It needs time to grow and develop the strength to compete with established players in the market. Infant industry production is kind of like a shield for these new companies or industries. It's a set of policies and measures designed to give them a temporary advantage while they get on their feet. How does infant industry protection work? Infant industry protection can take different forms. Some common methods include tariffs, quotas, subsidies, and local regulations. Why protect infant industries? Now you might be wondering, why should we protect infant industries? Shouldn't they just sink or swim on their own? Well, there are a few reasons why many economists and policymakers believe it's important. Economies of scale. New industries often lack the size and efficiency to compete with established companies. Protection gives them time to grow and achieve economies of scale, which means lower production costs per unit. Learning by doing. Like any new skill, producing goods or services takes practice. Infant industries need time to learn and improve their processes, which protection can provide. Spillovers. A successful infant industry can create positive effects for the whole economy. It can generate jobs and attract investment. National security. In some cases, protecting certain industries might be important for national security reasons, ensuring a domestic supply of essential goods or services. Examples of infant industry protection. Throughout history, many countries have used infant industry protection. Here are a few famous examples. The United States. In the 19th century, Alexander Hamilton, the first U.S. Secretary of the Treasury, advocated for protecting American manufacturing from foreign competition. Japan. After World War II, Japan implemented protectionist policies to rebuild its industries and eventually became a global economic powerhouse. South Korea. The Korean government actively supported its electronics and automotive industries, helping them become major exporters. Criticisms and challenges. Infant industry protection is not without its critics. Some argue that it can lead to inefficiencies and trade disputes with other countries. It can also be difficult to determine which industries to protect and for how long. Conclusion. Infant industry protection is an important topic in economics and trade policy. While it's not a magic bullet, it can play a valuable role in helping new industries get off the ground and contribute to economic growth.